Hello, cherry viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the can I'll share a video. Remember room to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. When me notification bell no. Say the video Pear betu on Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. The mission say be pineapple, apple, kiwi, pear juice. Juice where your juice be a wodi wo mu pa. What the food disinfectant be ro o fruit no ho. Uwie a na watwitwa nti first one ye pineapple. We so ye pear. Apple. Kiwi. Now the need na go ade e den wo be blend wo. What the enso e den egu mu na wa blending it nyina together. Aha no aye ready. Na waso ne so nyina. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Oko description box na ingredients ni nyina ye den e wo ho. Chimunso ni na ewie no na wasese go ubottle mu ana ojag mu. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. Anu akata so na wa store wo fridge mu anase freezer ejina dodro na oyeye no. Yep macho sende di kan a wo hwe video a mema rem to subscribe na wa share na wa like it no emia notification bell no say the video bia beto a honsa beka. Juice we your juice bia ahode wo mu pa afa so it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this our pineapple, apple, kiwi, pear juice. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.